Hi, the purpose of this screencast is to show you a new Web 2.0 tool called emaze. Emaze allows you to create different types of presentations that are web-based. Some of the reasons for using emaze is that it has some amazing presentation templates that are much different than your traditional PowerPoint or Google Slides. Some of the things about emaze that I like is that it's very easy to use. It's based in HTML5, which is the newest web language that'll work on any browser, on any kind of device, whether it's a smartphone, whether it's an iPad. Your presentations, you'll be able to see them as well as create them from those devices. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a free account. Make sure you go to www.emaze.com and then click over where it says Start Now, it's free. Enter your email, create a password, and then sign up. It does take about 30 to 40 seconds once you click on Sign Up for it to process your account. Once you are logged into emaze, you'll be taken to your home page. Your home page has where you can create a new presentation, the tabs on the top, as well there's a shared, which is where all your presentations will go once you've made them public, and then the Explore. The Explore tab is where you can see search presentations created by users. As you can tell over here, there's 2 million presentations that are already in here. So I would recommend that before you go through and make a presentation, go ahead and search for your topic, and maybe there's a presentation here that you can just modify to suit your needs. You can, once you find a presentation that you like under the Explore tab, you have the ability to download it. You can make a copy of it, or in some cases you can edit it unless it's been locked by the creator for editing. I'm going to go back onto the My page, and from here I could create a new presentation, or you could also import a PowerPoint presentation. So if you already have a PowerPoint presentation with all of your facts on it, you can click there and upload it. But I'm going to go ahead and click on that plus to create a new presentation. Now it's taking me to the presentation templates. On the left hand side I can see all the templates just for education, or I can show all. There are various tablet templates for any topic area. There are things for medical, there's business plans, there's marketing strategies. The art gallery is really cool. It displays your slides as different tabs in a gallery. So if you were doing some kind of art or cultural presentation, the gallery would be really cool to show that off. I'm a social studies geek, so one of my favorite things is the newspaper. That's one I'm going to click on to start a new presentation, and within it there are 4 different themes within the template. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one, and your presentation starts with just one slide, and you can click on any part. It's going to start with some random filler, but you can click on any part. And if I want to get rid of that picture, I could just click on it and click on the trash can. Across the top you have your menu bar. You can insert text, you can insert images either from your drive, or you'll have to have the URL code website for the link to your image. You can insert media. There's you can insert widgets and media from YouTube. You can do embed codes. You can do website links. You can also do maps with a Google map, which I think is awesome as a social studies person. And you can also, of course, upload MP3 and MP4 audio. So you can make these presentations as interactive and as multi-sensorial as you would like. It's very simple to edit. You just click anywhere you want, and that'll bring up your text editor box where you can click on the font size, your alignment, bold, backgrounds, any effects that you want to do, what do you want to do, list, indent. You can add audio clips. It's really phenomenal what you can do. So maybe I'm just going to put a sensational title, and then I'm going to import an image. So I'm just going to go to my images, and I'm going to browse on my computer because I've already saved an image that I wanted to put in here. So, how surprising I am talking about World War I here. So, again, you can just click on any of this and have your students put in some text. Okay, that slide's done. Now we're ready for another slide. We can go right up here to this Add a Slide tab, and again, it's going to ask us what we want to do. There's all these different kinds of slide templates. You can do charts, graphs, pictures. Maybe this story looks good. So again, it's very simple. You just click where you need to. So I went ahead and deleted that picture. I can insert a shape. I can just click on the shape I want. You can change the color of it. You can also give it a different border. So there's all these different options that you can click on for anything. You can click to create some more charts or some more templates. I love how everything just flows and it's so nice. And then when you're ready, from the beginning, you can go and click on the play icon and it'll give you a preview of what your different, what your presentation will look like. And just the way it focuses in and out, it moves kind of like a Prezi, but I think some of the templates are even more dynamic, and I can see how great of a project this would be for students. Once you're done with your preview, you can go back to the yellow pencil icon to edit the presentation anymore. Or if you're done, you can go back to click on the emaze to see your presentations. By default, your presentations are public. If you wish to upgrade to a pro account, you can actually hide your presentations, but I don't see that really as that big of an issue, because hopefully you're going to want to share these out with your students, or have your students share them out with you if you're having your students do them. So this has been a good overview of all the different things that you can do with emaze, and like I said, once you have your presentation done, you can click on the little share icon right there, and you'll get a shareable link. And this is the link that you would give your students, or your students would give to you, to be able to play. You can also embed them in your website. So if you get a really amazing presentation, you can put it on your website by copying this embed code. You can also send an email as well as share it on your various social networks. So I hope this has been a good overview of emaze, and I hope to see you using it. And please feel free to share with me anything that you create or your students create. I can't wait to see it. Thank you.